guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sneha and you're watching Escapade with Sneha. So guys, when I said that I will be conducting a CSEET Q&A session, a lot of questions came, guys. I just can't believe. But most common questions were how to do current affairs, how to remember current affairs, what to study for current affairs. So I thought let's make a fully dedicated video just how to prepare for current affairs. So here I am today with a video just fully dedicated on how to prepare for current affairs. So I think it will help you guys, and if it does, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below if you have any further doubts. And also guys, talking about the video, I would be covering your Q&A at the end. I will be answering to your questions at the end, and also I will be telling you how to remember current affairs and how you can't forget current affairs easily. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's get started. So guys, talking about the first thing that you should know about is that your paper pattern, like what is the marks distribution, how many questions are there. So for marks distribution, it is like 20 marks and 15 questions. So the next question arises that what type of questions are asked. Either it is from study material or it is from outside. So guys, current affairs section just ask you 4 to 5 questions from study material, and rest all are from outside. That is, you have to study current affairs daily, then only you will be able to answer it. The next question is for how much time we should study for current affairs. So guys, you have to study current affairs for the past 1 year, and it should end before 1 month of your examination date. That is, if your examination is on 21st of November, you should stop studying current affairs on 21st October itself. You can just look every day into the current affairs so that you don't miss anything and your habit doesn't die. But the icsi has already said that the question will be asked just before 1 month only. So you have to study for the past 1 year till the before 1 month of your exams. Okay, so the next question is that how to study for current affairs. As I have always told you guys, that you can just can't drink any kind of magical potion and you can just know all the current affairs. You have to study for current affairs. These are the subjects which you can't ignore. And also guys, if you can't understand some few subjects, you can take tuitions. There is not like don't take tuitions at all. You can take if you can't understand, since it is like if you don't understand, you need a guidance, and if you get guidance, you understand better, you perform better, and it will be easy for your executive level also. Okay, so how to study current affairs, that is, you have to read newspapers. Okay, what kind of newspapers? Economics Time, Business Standard, Financial Express. You can refer to any of these on a full-time basis. Like you can subscribe to any one of those, and you can just look at their apps of the other two. And what apps you can just rely for current affairs, it is like most talked about Rumored in Shorts. It is very good app. I also personally use that, and I recommend to you guys also. In Shorts, there is like one-liner current affairs, and the gist is given in just 70 to 70 words. So it is like very easy for you, since it is just MCQ based. You don't have to write paragraphs, you don't have to study paragraphs, you just have to finish it in words. Okay, so it is very good for you if you prefer in Shorts. And you can also sort it according to your priorities. Like if you want to study just about the economic current affairs, you can sort it like that. If you want to just study about legal affairs, you can sort it there. So it is a very good app. So for newspapers, you can study 3, that is Economic Times, the Business Standard, the Financial Express. And for the app, you can just look to in Shorts. We will talk about the Q&A. Are there any questions of out study material? As I told guys, 70% is out of study material. So yes, the questions are asked from outside the study material. So the next question is disconnected. So if it is asked from outside the study material, should we ignore study material? No guys, if icsi have given you study materials, then they must ask questions from there. They do. So don't ignore study material, but just don't study it like 3 to 4 times. One time revision is enough. So I have already answered that is in-depth studying is required for current affair module. So no guys, you can just study it once and give it a revision once to just be sure about it, and that would be enough. But make sure you revise your daily current affairs on a daily or a weekly basis. Now the most awaited question is how to remember current affairs. So guys, when you talk about how to remember current affairs, people say stick notes on the walls, maintain notes. So they are correct, they are truly correct. But if we will stick notes of current affairs, so there are like daily 100 of current affairs, and if we start sticking, then the whole wall will be finished. So what you can do, you can just download any app and you can put your notes there, because the most important screen or the important part which we look throughout the day is our mobile. So you can just download an app or any kind of software and you can just put your notes there. You can take screenshots, and at the end of the day make habit to look at it once. Okay, that would be really very much helpful, and it is helpful if you study current affairs. Okay, this was it for the video guys. I hope you like my content, and if you want me to make more contents like this, you can just comment down below and subscribe to my channel. That makes me really happy, and I feel so good when you subscribe to my channel. So let's see you in another video. Bye bye, take care.